FunctionFox offers 4 separate platforms, each adding additional features over the previous. In FunctionFox Classic, the focus is on time tracking, budgeting, and reporting. The time tracking of FunctionFox allows you to see exactly where your time is going for projects inside of the system. When tied together with rates, this gives you the capability of tracking billable hours and comparing estimates with your actual costs. Inside of FunctionFox, there are 2 ways to budget. The budget for a project can be set either by estimating the hours for each task in the project or overall budget for that project. This gives the capability of easily seeing estimates versus actuals at any time through that project. The other budgeting tool is retainer tracking. If you have an agreement with a client, you can set up a monthly budget based on hours or fees to give a better idea on whether you're over or under servicing that client. You can also decide which projects will count against the retainer as well. Many of these budgeting features can be viewed visually in the CEO desktop. Client tab, for instance, allows you to see each project actual versus the estimate you set. And on the retainer tab, you can do the same for retainers and see the total for the retainer length and all previous months. Lastly, there is reporting. Classic comes with 12 reports, with the common staples being client and project reports. These reports give multiple ways to access the time track data, whether it is about finding out the total hours or fees put into a project. Worth noting, invoicing can also be turned on in Classic if you want a way to create simple quotes and invoices for your clients for free. The Classic version of FunctionFox is created for teams after an easier way to track their hours, bill for their time correctly, stay on track with budgets, and have all this information easily accessible. If you have further questions about Classic or our other platforms, please give us a call or reach out to staycreative@functionfox.com. We're glad to help you and your team stay creative.